Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem Price Chopper points. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so redeeming Price Chopper points, often known as Advant Edge rewards, can save you money on groceries or fuel. So I've detailed a step-by-step guide to help you redeem those points. So if you're redeeming points for groceries, shop at Price Chopper and purchase your groceries as usual. Then present your Advant Edge card, and from there, provide your Advant Edge card or provide your phone number associated with your account at checkout to ensure your points are applied, and then redeem points at checkout. So inform the cashier that you'd like to use your points. The cashier will apply your points to your purchase, reducing your total amount due. Now, if you want to redeem points for fuel discounts, so locate a participating gas station. Link your Advant Edge card. So make sure your Advant Edge card is linked to your Price Chopper account. And then swipe your Advant Edge card at the pump. And then from there, if you don't have your card, you can put in your phone number associated with your Advant Edge account as well. That will work. And then follow the prompts on the pump screen to redeem your points for a fuel discount. The discount will be applied to your fuel purchase, lowering the price per gallon based on the number of points you have. And if you want to redeem your points online, go to the Price Chopper website at pricechopper.com and log in with your account. Navigate to the Advant Edge rewards section to view your point balance and available rewards. Choose the rewards you want to redeem your points for, such as grocery discounts, fuel, etc. And then follow the on-screen instructions to redeem your points for the selected reward. And now I've got some tips here for redeeming Price Chopper points. So track the expiry dates because sometimes these points expire. And you can also take full advantage of combining discounts with other store promotions for maximizing your savings. And also, it's a great idea or a great thing to do is always check your balance through Price Chopper to stay updated on your available rewards as well.